In today's video, I'll show you how to create a warm and nostalgic opening where multiple photo frames appear together like a small pile of memories, revealing your video in a smooth and engaging way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the photo reveal feels intentional. Now tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab because this controls how your video appears at the beginning. Scroll through the list of animations until you find Group of 5, then tap on it to apply the effect. As soon as it's applied, you'll see several photo style frames appear and stack together, gradually revealing the video underneath like a pile of photos coming to life. Remember, in CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. To control how fast the photos appear, use the duration slider. Drag it to the left for a quick and playful reveal, or drag it to the right for a slower, more emotional build-up. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the stacking motion matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a pile of photos reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.